Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate chi-square statistical test of independence for comparing two categorical variables. Okay, so whether two categorical variables are related to one another or not can be confirmed by a formal statistical testing called chi-square test of independence. So here, chi-square test of independence meaning that the relationship between the two variables are not they are basically not related, meaning that they're independent of each other, right? So that's the null hypothesis. But if the values of one variable depend on the values of the other, that means there is some kind of dependence, and that's why they are related significantly. So now, previously I show you I'm going to work on two variables called, one is called diabetes, and I'm going to show you what it means. There's a categorical variable of two categories, not diabetic and diabetic, and then another variable, black, and it's also categorical variable, black and not black. So we're interested in understanding if black, the variable representing race, is related to any higher probability of diabetes or not, right? So if we see that the black people or the non-black people have higher probability than the other in terms of having diabetes, then these two variables are related. So we can confirm that by chi-square test. So previously what I did is use two-way cross-tabulation, diabetes and black, and that's exactly what we are doing, asking for the column percentage, and let's hit enter, and you can see that we see some differences. So even those who are diabetes, like if black people, 8% of the black people have diabetes, whereas only 5% has, less than 5% has diabetes, right? So you can see that black has higher levels of diabetes compared to the non-black, right? So therefore we can expect some kinds of relationship and dependency between these two variables. So now, in addition to the column percentages, I am giving an option chi-square or chi2, and it gives you the formal testing of chi-square. So whether they are significantly different from one another, like diabetes and black, is confirmed by this, right? So Pearson chi-square test. The test statistic is 25, but the probability is 0.000, which is less than 0.05, and even 0.001, right? So we all know that any probability that is less than 0.05 is statistical significance, right? Is statistically significant. So we can now say that the difference that we have seen previously, right, is a statistically significant difference. They are not independent. We reject the null that they are independent, but they are dependent, meaning that they are associated. Being black is associated with higher probability of diabetes, experiencing diabetes, right? So so that's how we calculate chi-square test. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find my channel helpful for you, please subscribe and like, comment, and share. And also, if you want a specific video to be created, please let me know. I'll create a video for you. Thanks for watching.